Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing, so let's get started. We just got this shipped in. So here we go, here's the box. Now around the box, there isn't that much information. However, on the other side, back here, we do have the serial number and a little bit more information. Anyways, there's tabs here that we have to take out. Now keep in mind, this is an iPhone 16 Pro Max. So it's the bigger one than the Pro, just slightly bigger, and here it is. So let's take a look at what's inside first. All right, so we got the cables, SIM card, and manuals. All right, so let's just take a look at every single thing from here first. But right now, at this shot, right this second, you're taking a look at everything that comes inside the box. Anyways, the SIM card tray comes out with this. So here's our SIM card tool. So this is what comes inside the box. If you guys ever lose this, there's an earring that you guys can use. Oh, almost any earring really will work on your phone. Here are the cables, and you guys will notice that they are USB-C. Now I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see any markings. And the only markings that you will see are right here. You guys can barely read that. But yeah, that's it. And only on that side. On the other side, nothing. There's no Apple logos, nothing. No markings on the cables themselves. And yeah, these are USB-Cs. So it doesn't come with a brick, so you're gonna have to charge it with your computer. Or you have to buy a brick for it, which they're on sale right here on apple.com. The manuals, well, I should just say paperwork, is this stuff. So there's not much to show you, really, because this is it. And here's more, but yeah, that's it. If you guys want to see the manual, how to use this, how to set it up, I do have a separate video for that. So again, if you guys want to see this in action, there's a separate video. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. The phone, yes, it's bigger than the Pro. That's what this Pro Max, because it's quite bigger. That you do have the same 3 lenses. Now let's take a look at the ports around it. Let me just take this out for now. And right here on the ports, this is the only one really. That's where you charge it up or sync it. We have right here our SIM card, goes right in there. We have our volume keys. We have our silent. Okay, you can customize this one as well. On the other side, we've got this, that's for our camera. And we also have our power. All right, so the first thing about this type of color is that you get smudges. I just noticed that right away. So with other colors, you don't get that smudgeness around it. Gotta say that because I do have another color for this. And that's kind of nice, but with this one particularly, I can really see my fingerprints around it, which is very annoying. Now on the back itself, yeah, no fingerprints. Not that visible at least. But anyways, I also want to highlight that the camera is right here on the top. So you'd have that front camera. And as I already highlighted, you got 3 lenses right here for your camera on the back. On the top, there's nothing, by the way. Now, how much bigger is this iPhone compared to the Pro? Well, let me bring the Pro. So right here, you guys can see the difference size-wise. So here's the Pro Max. Screen, well, it's gonna be the same thing, the size difference. So we're gonna turn this on for the very first time. To turn it on, just press the power key, hold on to it, and we should see an Apple logo. And we're gonna take a look at the screen in just a minute. So right now it's turning on, and there we go. So that is how the screen looks like. And I gotta say, it's a big screen, just like the other one. You do have those black edges around it. So it's like same thing really, but let me just show you. Here is the Pro Max and the Pro. That's the screen size difference. But anyways, I do have a separate video that teaches you the whole difference between the two. This is just a quick comparison so you guys have an idea. Anyways, as far as an unboxing video goes, this is it, really. We do have a setup video and a manual for you guys to check out if you guys want to see this guy in action. That's it. There's nothing, literally nothing else to show you about this awesome phone. And I'm going to mention this again. With this color, you get smudges. You get fingerprints almost everywhere pretty easily. But again, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.